so reusable checklist is a feature which allows you to create checklists or writing forms that people can use over and over again for SOPs or other standards of practice you want to follow. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to create a new checklist. So let's name this one. So you have a purpose, and it's good to record the date that you created on. Okay, so you have sections, and so a section would be basically each new person that needs to get it. So you might only have one section in your writing form, or you might have 20, depends. It's all based upon how many people are going to need to interact with that checklist. So let's say we have, and then we can choose whether it's going to be assigned to anyone in a division or anyone in a position. So let's go in here. Let's say HR manager. So then we can fill in some instructions, right? Or we can do a text input. So let's say the first thing we want is, what's their name? Then the next one we want to put is, what's their position? There we go. Okay, so then you could also have many different field types, signatures, ratings, drop downs, but okay. So there we go, there's section 1. Next, we're going to go and create a section 2, is set up their desk. So this can be whatever makes it easy for you, but let's say you want someone from the IT division now to be the one to set up their desk. So then you can have a bunch of instructions in here. Like, additionally, we might want to make sure that we have an earliest step say what the desk is, depending on the format, right? So then we can add another section and say, so this would be like what you're going to do on their first day. It's going to go back to the position of HR manager. And these might be, okay, there we go. Okay, so this could have a limited number of steps. You just continue to add them like that. It's all very easy. So after we've done that, we're going to press on preview to show us with everything closed, and then create template. Okay, so we're looking for the one that was just created. It's 20th, so here we go. Start a new employee onboarding, right? So you could call it a new employee onboarding checklist or writing form, whatever you want to name it. We're just going to press start. Now we're going to be able to see this form with all the options. So I can name this after the employee. That'll be Chris. I can say that today, it'll grab today as the day that I started this one. And then I can fill it out. Check it off. It'll record who was checked off and the date it was checked off. So now what it's going to do is it's going to look in the system for anyone who belongs to that area. And then we'll go on to the next person. And that's basically it. That's how you create a new onboarding checklist.